Meaning of hawser.
hawser,
Hawser.
hawser,
Hawser. A hawser is a thick rope or cable used to tow or moor a large vessel, such as a ship. These ropes are typically made from materials such as twisted hemp or nylon fibers, and they are designed to be strong and durable enough to withstand the forces of the sea. Hawser can also refer to the act of securing a vessel in place using such ropes. Overall, hawsers play an important role in maritime navigation and safety, helping to keep vessels anchored securely and in position during storms, high winds, or other challenging conditions.